Hey guys, it's Dalton from National Parts Depot of Florida, your parts powerhouse with everything you need to get your classic back out on the road and headed to the shows. In today's video, you'll get a behind the scenes look at what it's like to host the NPD booth at the 38th annual Mustang and Ford Roundup car show in historic downtown Longwood, Florida. Now let's get this sweet 1989 Ford Econoline 350XL loaded up with our parts and free catalogs and get ready to hit the road. Now that the van's all loaded up, let's get it out of the warehouse. Time to head to the show. At 5 a.m. Saturday morning, Justin and I hop in the van and head 2 hours to historic downtown Longwood. Once we arrive, it's time to set up the booth. The great thing about coming out to these shows is talking to all the classic car enthusiasts that use our parts on their vehicle so they can come out and enjoy these shows. And one thing me and Justin really enjoyed was we got to handpick the items that we brought this year. I handled all the early model Mustang and Ford truck, while he handled all the later model Mustang and Ford truck parts. Now, since the booth is all set up, let's check out the catalogs we offer. Ford Thunderbird 55 to 57, Cougar 67 to 73, 48 to 79 F-Series truck, along with 65 to 73 Mustang, 80 to 96 F-Series truck, 66 to 96 Bronco, and 79 to 04 Mustang. So if you'd like one of our free catalogs, visit our website npdlink.com or give us a call at 800-874-7595 or visit one of our 4 locations and grab one. And check out all these sweet parts that I picked out and put on display. It was time to step back and check it out in all of its glory. Now time to check out all these sweet Mustangs. The first beautiful Mustang I saw was a 67 Shelby GT350 that sold for right around $4,000 originally. If you need a Shelby GT350 grille, dash, or trunk lid emblem, then we have one for you, along with the fender emblem and trunk mat. We also carry the coiled Cobra roof side emblems for the sail panel and the inside trunk decals, along with the 351 Ram air cleaner decal, engine compartment, caution fan, and the firewall inspection tags, and even the auto light battery cover. Check out this beautiful 68 convertible light blue Mustang with a white top. This one's packing a 302 and it even has AC, which is a must here in Florida. There's tons of nice parts on this Mustang that we carry for the 68. And here we have a sweet red 65 coupe with a nice plaid trunk mat, spare tire cover, tail lights and bezels, fender emblems, and quarter panel ornament, along with the wheel cover and center cap, and the trunk lid jacking instruction decal. This little red coupe is packing a 170 inline 6-cylinder. And here's another 65 Mustang. This time it's a convertible packing a 289 with styled steel wheels.
How's it going?
It's going good.
Welcome.
Go.
It was a hot summer's night.
Time to check out all the Fox bodies at the show. Here we have an awesome gray one with smoked out taillights and those sweet quarter windows with the Mustang logo. course, you can't forget the Cougar XR7. This one sure was beautiful. Check out this sweet little red T-Bird with a convertible black top along with white walls. Check out this beautiful 66 Mustang GT Coupe with a white vinyl top packing a 289 and deluxe pony interior. If I had to choose a Mustang here to take home, this would have been the one. Had a wonderful conversation with the owners and they said they're big supporters of NPD. Remember, if you need one of our catalogs, give us a call at 800-874-7595 or visit our website npdlink.com and request one, or visit one of our 4 locations and grab one. Visit our website to see the full line of cars that we carry parts for. Now that the show's coming to a close, Justin and I packed up the van and got ready to head 2 hours north to Ocala. On the way out, we saw a Mustang and a T-Bird pass by. Well, we're back here at NPD in Ocala. Mustang and all Ford Roundup. You gotta come out there next year with your Ford. It was an awesome show. It was my first time at the show. Justin's been going to it for a few years now. We thank y'all for watching this video. If you guys enjoy this and would like to see more NPD videos like this, comment down below and show this video some love. Thanks for watching and have a good one.